beautiful Valentine's Day. Still not over yet. We do have the chance though to still see a few more spotty showers in the forecast, especially along the Treasure Coast, but looking good for the rest of Palm Beach County, especially along the coastal communities. There's a look at the 1 hour time lapse. We're starting to see a few more showers bubbling up just along the northern end of Okeechobee County, so we could still see these showers right here advance to the east northeast, giving a few more showers towards Sebastian to Vero Beach. So again, if you do live along the Treasure Coast, especially along the coast, still a chance to still see a few more spotty showers throughout the remainder of your evening. Now we still are watching this area right here of low pressure, keeping a lot of that heavy rain to our north along the Tampa area, extending all the way to Orlando, Jacksonville, Gainesville, nonstop rain. Well, this energy is going to lift. We're not going to see too much activity from it, but we are going to see a few changes in the upcoming days ahead. I'll talk about that in just a little bit, but at the moment, looking a little hazy out there. Of course, very warm, 79 degrees. We have a lot of humidity, a lot of moisture that's going to stick around throughout the overnight hours. We're also looking at a south wind, so that's going to keep that warm air in place. Winds at around 5 to 10 as we go overnight. We have the 80s over in Vero Beach to Okeechobee, 87 Indiantown, upper 70s along the Palm Beaches. Temperatures pretty much staying within the 70s over the next few hours under just a mix of a couple lingering clouds. Rain chances though still running fairly low, but we can't rule out seeing maybe just a few more showers, as I mentioned, for the Treasure Coast, and maybe a sneaky shower working across Palm Beach County. So here's a look. Temperatures earlier today very hot, 87 degrees in West Palm Beach, 91 in Jupiter, upper 80s along the Treasure Coast, all from that south wind. It really does take effect, and we even saw some new record heats broken earlier today for Vero Beach, even for Fort Pierce, with temperatures topping out at 88 degrees. Even tomorrow, we're still expecting to see another round of some record heat, especially for West Palm Beach, 88 degrees for President's Day. So it is going to be a very warm afternoon. We're not going to see too much in the way of rain throughout the day, and that's really going to also allow temperatures to stay pretty much steady in the upper 80s, and with the humidity in place, feel even hotter. So here's our stationary front. It's going to finally lift eventually, and then here's another area working its way in. Notice we're going to see a warm front that's going to give us a more southerly flow, keeping all that hot air in place before we see a cold front try to advance. And guess what? It's not going to give us a decrease in our temperatures, but it will give us a chance for some early morning rain for your Tuesday. So Tuesday, we're going to see some showers once again. Here's what we're looking at the rest of the evening. A few more spotty showers, as I mentioned, for the Treasure Coast. Overnight, pretty quiet. We should see a little bit of fog developing inland heading into your early Monday morning. Maybe a stray shower or two, but for the most part, looking dry for most of your Monday. It's going to be a hot day, as I mentioned, south wind, humidity really high, but also looking good if you're going to be out and about on the boat. So very nice day ahead. Of course, as soon as we see the sun set after the evening, we're going to see a few showers starting to spark up from the west coast, pushing off to the east, and that's going to give us a chance to still see a few late scatter showers, a few early storms heading into your Tuesday morning. So right around 1 o'clock, we could see some heavy rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm from Okeechobee County along the Treasure Coast. Heading into the mid-morning hours, we are going to see a line setting up ahead of the front, and that's going to set up for some scattered rain, maybe even a few isolated storms. So we will be on the lookout to see if we're going to see any strong storms at times. So this will all continue to clear out by the time we reach mid-afternoon hours for Tuesday, and then Wednesday looking good. We're going to see temperatures pretty much still on the warm side, low 80s, hit or miss showers in the forecast Wednesday, Thursday. Our next front rolling through late Thursday night into Friday. Take a look at that. Scattered rain when you wake up in the morning. And here's the big reveal, guys. After about 15 days with temperatures 80 degrees and above, we're going to see a very chilly day, waking up to the 40s and 50s by next Saturday morning. That's your first warning forecast.